races here, Hugh Oldham. What do you think?
It could be. Now we need to get a division of the house here and find out how many people think the airplane's going to win or the jet truck.
Yeah, who thinks the airplane's going to win? Let's see a show of hands here. Anybody? Well, that'd be my guess. What about shockwave? By the way, if the planes are too bright for your eyes, shockwave. Pair of shockwave sunglasses for kids and adults. Same one from Chris Darnell right now. Shockwave sunglasses down the front. Wow, look at that. 75-foot long plane. Look at this, the Columbus Fire and Rescue Department. They're moving out just to be extra safe as we race Shockwave and Gary Ward in the MXS. 36,000 horsepower with smoke that's almost good for the environment.
You know, some of the people be concerned about the smoke. Like, oh boy, I tell you what, they're getting a little intimidation.
They are.
That smoke is environmentally approved, wonderful, unless you're a mosquito.
That's right. Horrible for mosquito. Look at this. Chris Darnell now emerging from the smoke. You can see the flames. I don't know about you, Hugh Oldham, but there's just enough redneck in me to make me move all the way up here to watch this every single time. We see Chris Darnell do this every weekend. And it never gets old. Watch this. 75-foot long plane. Started it up in their